Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
In this video, I am going to discuss on orthogonal system of analytic functions in polar forms. Before that, I will just discuss about the polar form. Okay, if r is equal to f theta is a polar curve, and if phi is the angle between radius vector and the tangent at the point of at the tangent, then tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr, or cot phi is equal to 1 by r dr by d theta, we know. Okay, and angle between the two polar curves, at the point of intersection, is given by modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2, where phi 1 and phi 2 are the angle between the radius vector and the tangent to the particular curves. Okay, or two curves are said to be orthogonal to each other. Okay, or two polar curves are orthogonal to each other, means perpendicular to each other, then tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to -1, or cot phi 1 into cot phi 2 is equal to -1, we can prove. Okay, using this concept I am going to derive the one theorem. Okay, theorem I will prove here now. That is, if omega equal to f of z is equal to u of r theta plus I into phi of r theta is analytic function in polar form, then the family of curves u of r theta equal to c1 and v of r theta equal to c2 are orthogonal to each other. Okay, where c1 and c2 are constants. This one I have to prove now. Okay, so that u of r theta equal to c1 and v of r theta equal to c2 are orthogonal to each other, I have to prove here. First of all, what is given? Omega equal to f of z equal to u of r theta and v of r theta is the analytic function. Okay, write down as omega equal to f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic, then okay, CR equations are given by my CR equations are nothing but dou u by dou r is equal to 1 by r into dou v by dou theta, and dou v by dou r also equal to -1 by r, correct? -1 by r dou u by dou theta. These are the CR equations in polar form. Using them, I want to prove that cot phi 1 into cot phi 2 equal to minus 1. Okay, now consider a family of curves. Family of curves u of r theta equal to c1. Okay, u of r theta equal to c1, and r is a function of theta. Okay, let us differentiate this one. Okay, let us differentiate. Let differentiating partially with respect to theta. Okay, then what I am going to get this one, that is dou u by dou r into dr by d theta, because r is a function of single variable theta, that's why dr by d theta, plus dou u by dou theta into d theta by d theta, but it is equal to 1 0, it is equal to 1 because theta cancels. From this one I can write it as a dr by d theta, which implies dr by d theta equal to, correct, dr by d theta equal to, I can write it as this is cancels, minus dou u by dou theta whole divided by dou u by dou r. But not I don't want only dr by d theta. Okay, here I can replace cot phi, for that 1 by r dr by d theta. Therefore what I will write here, 1 by r on the both side I will multiply, 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to, I can write it as what, minus 1 by r times dou u by dou theta divided by dou u by dou r, and which is nothing but your cot phi 1 I can write. Okay, for the first curve cot phi 1 I can write. Same thing for considering a v as a family of curves and differentiating that one also with respect to theta, I will find out cot phi 2 also. Okay, right. Consider a family of curves phi of r theta equal to c1 and r be a function of theta. Then differentiating partially with respect to theta, what I am getting at, dou v by dou r into dr by d theta plus dou v by dou theta into d theta by d theta equal to partial derivative of c2, let me consider c2 equal to 0, and this is a property of a partial differentiation we should know. From this one, dr by d theta equal to, I can write it as minus dou v by dou theta, d theta cancels, whole divided by dou v by dou r. Again this is become a cot phi provided it becomes 1 by r. Therefore 1 by r dr by d theta equal to minus 1 by r dou v by dou theta whole divided by dou v by dou r. Okay, this is nothing but cot phi 2 I will consider. Okay, now product of cot phi 1 and cot phi 2. Consider cot phi 1 into cot phi 2. Okay, my cot phi 1 is this one what I have proved here. Cot phi 1 is minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta divided by dou u by dou r, which is nothing but minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta divided by dou u by dou r into minus 1 by r dou v by dou theta divided by dou v by dou r. But by CR equations, that is, what are my CR equations? Dou u by dou r must be equal to 1 by r dou v by dou theta, and dou v by dou r is equal to minus 1 by r dou u by dou theta. Substitute in this, cot phi 1 into cot phi 2 is equal to, okay, do u by do r I'll replace 1 by r do u by do theta divided by do u by do r 1 by r do v by do theta, and here do v by do r also substitute minus 1 by r do v by do theta divided by do v by do r is nothing but minus 1 by r do u by do theta. What are the cancels? 1 by r, 1 by r, 1 by r, 1 by r. This is minus, and do v by do theta, do v by do theta, do u by do theta, do v, which is equal to minus 1 will remain. Cot phi 1 into cot phi 2 equal to minus 1. Therefore u of r theta equal to c1 and v of r theta equal to c2 are intersecting orthogonally. Okay, like this, some more examples on complex functions I am going to derive or solve in my next videos. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.